Be ready. Start. It is lovely, they said, but of course we are not used to it. Stop. Less and less coverings were placed on the beds at night, and the few stores in the little town soon sold all their summer dresses and wired to the wholesalers for more stock. The men continued, of course, to put on each day their heavy things, for it is difficult for a man to change his ways. So, nearly all the men were employed in the great new works that had been built just outside the town shortly after the war stopped. From the high ground about 2 miles beyond the town, you could see the sea to the south, but the downs were between the town and the sea, and no suggestion of sea air reached the people as they went to and from their labor stop. The air was heavy, and the people seemed to feel its weight as they walked about stop. Plants were dying just when they should have been at their best, and the lovely colors were going from the countryside. Stanza. If you sat at your door in the evening, you could hear little pieces of the talk going on among friends, for all doors and windows were kept open until the last light of day had gone. Stop. I shall die if it lasts much longer, says a high young voice, a voice full of health. Stop. I shall just die. Stop. Die you will not, answers an old and rather weak voice. Stop. Die you surely will not, just because of a little heat. Stop. Heat? Question mark. Now, when was your age? And the story of those past days is told only to be followed by another story from some still more aged person going back still further into the past. Stanza. What is the matter with you all, to be sure? Question mark, asks a strong young man. Stop. It is a change from being cold anyway. Stop. Then from quite nearby comes the sweet young voice of a girl talking to a boy. Stop. It would be lovely to see the sea, she is saying. Stop. Do you think it would be worth the trouble of walking, saying, to the downs and looking out at the sea? Question mark. It must look so still and peaceful and beautiful. Stop. I would walk to the end of the world for you, Penny. Stop. Even in this heat? Question mark. Even in this heat, he answered. Stop. Two people in the little town found life to their liking. Stanza. I happened yesterday to hear on the radio the question, if you could be some other person, who would you want to be? Question mark. And the answer was myself. Stop. At this, the first man asked. Full stop. Over.